With your head.
Hey,
back. One.
Whoa!
Good hit, but still there.
All right.
Swing again.
You can swing again. Spin around again. Spin around again. 1, 2, 3. Now stop.
Okay, wait. No, turn to your left. Okay, swing high. All right, good job.
I'm number 4. You're number 5.
So you might have to have a bigger bat. Okay, hit high.
No, it's to your right.
Hit further.
Again. Okay, right in front. There you go. All right. Whoa! Oh, there's a piece of candy.
Watch out. Okay.
Let her feel it with the bat. There you go. Now back up so she can hit it.
Oh, Leah, back up.
Swing
Leah,
high.
back up. Higher. Leah, hey, jump.
There you go.
Okay. 7. Hey. Good.
Oh my
God, I'm so excited.
Feel the bat.
Oh my God.
Swing again.
To your right.
Yeah.
There goes some candy.
It's a stampede.
No, you don't get to hit it again. Next person. Number 2.
I get to spin him. Oh my God!
No. Everybody get clear of the bat. We have a maniac with a bat.
Back up. Up high.
There it goes.
Come on, Clover.
Get some Clover.
Get in there, Heather.
Grab candy, Clover, so you
I
can
don't want any
bag.
candy. She doesn't have any bags.
Let her pick up candy, honey.
Ow!
This also out. Don't share with her.